Okay, this is the Swiffer PowerMop. And the power part is that when you push the button up here, spray sprays out, just like the cheaper ones where you have to pull a trigger. If you have arthritis and can't pull a trigger, this might be the mop for you. Otherwise, I would say it's not any better than any other mop. A disadvantage is that you have to buy these cartridges, and you can only use these cartridges and they cannot be opened and refilled. So honestly, I would buy a different mop if I could go back and do it again that didn't need batteries to get the cleaning fluid out, and that I could use a refillable thing. It does smell really good. Like, this smells really good. This is our fresh scent, but you have to buy expensive floor cleaner. So I would not recommend this. The way it works is great, but there's a lot cheaper different brands that do the same thing without the annoying features of needing batteries and a mop refill you can't do easily.
If you would like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out.